Hi guys, so this is the evaluation for a electronic circuit kit. This is from a company. This is a kit. This is from a company called noissim Technologies. So they normally make electrical and the science kits for children, when children can do an experiment and they can learn science concepts very easily and they can have a lot of fun. So it's a noissim science kits. So it's a basic electronics kit, and using this workbench it has all the components, and you can create different kind of electronic circuits. The children can learn about how to use a battery, eliminate a bulb, DC motors, or resistors, so how to use all those kind of things. So in all the previous videos we have seen the basic things. Now in this video we will see how to connect a resistor in parallel. Okay, so we need to change the circuit a little bit. So now I'm going to connect it like this. You see, I just connected the circuit. It's good. The bulb is glowing. So now I am going to connect the resistors. The previously we have connected in series, so I am going to connected them in a parallel circuit. Okay. So first thing is that this is a resistor. So this is a resistor with the value of resistor here is it's 4.5 ohms. So I'm going to connect the resistor here. No, this is without any resistor. See, I'm going to connect a resistor in parallel. See, it glows a little bit. It's not the brightest, but it's very dull. I mean, it's relatively dull. So now what we can do is we'll connect a relatively lesser, the 3 ohms resistor. This in the previous circuit you have seen, this is a 3 ohms resistor. So we'll see what happens if we connect it there. You see, the 3 ohms resistor, in case of a series, compared to the 4 ohms, the 5 ohms, you see, the 3 ohms resistor, less resistance means the bulb grows more brighter. Sorry, less resistance means that the bulb grows very dull, and more resistance means the bulb grows very brighter. You see, this is a value. You see, the value of this resistor is how much? It's 3.6 ohms, and the value of this resistor is it's 5.5. You know, see, this is 5.5 and this is 3.6. You see, when you connect a 3.6 ohms resistor, the bulb grows very dull. When you connect a 5.5 ohms resistor, the bulb grows a little bit brighter. So what does it mean? Very dull. So it is opposite to what we have seen in case of Series circuits. In case of series circuits, the more the value of the resistor, the bulb grows more dull. In case of a parallel circuit, the more the value of a resistor and the bulb goes brighter. So what is the difference? How it works? Because see, in this case, see this 3.7 ohms. So because the value of the resistance is less, the current through this particular circuit, this particular case, the current flowing here is more, and which reduces the current flowing here. Okay, so that is why the bulb glows little bit dull when you connect less value resistance in parallel. But when you connect a more value resistance in parallel, so what happens is what happens is the current flowing here is becomes less, and the current flowing here becomes more when you connect a high value resistance in parallel. So that is why you see the circuit over here glowing. Means when you connect a high value resistance across parallel to a bulb, so here it glows brighter. Okay. See, it's very dull. 3 ohms means it's very dull, but it's at least this 5.5 means the 5.5 ohms. It's brighter. It's brighter than the 3.5 ohms. Let's see what happens if we connect this. This is 2 ohms resistor. This is 2 ohms resistor we have seen before. No. Wow, man, it's very dull. It goes very dull. Very dull. No. It's very dull. That's what the difference, when it's the parallel connecting a resistance in series, in parallel it's opposite. So the concept is, the conclusion is, when you connect a bulb to a battery source and you connect a resistor in series to the bulb, so the more, in that particular case, the more the value of resistance, the bulb will be less bright, the brightness will be less. So the less the value of resistance, the brightness will be more. So in case of a parallel, if you connect a circuit, a resistor in parallel to the bulb, so means when you connect it less value of resistance, the bulb grows dull. When you connect a more value of resistance in parallel, the bulb grows more brighter. That's because when you connect a more value of resistor in parallel here, so the current through this particular portion is it becomes less, and the current through this particular portion becomes more effective current. So that makes the bulb get more current and becomes more brighter when you connect a high value resistor here. But in case if you connect a low value resistor here, the current through this particular portion becomes more, and the current through this particular effective current was flowing through the bulb becomes less, and that's why it becomes very dull. So try out all these circuits, and please do let us know your feedback. How can we improve? What more experiments? If you guys come up with new experiments using all these components, feel free to post it on our website. Go to this website, www.noissim.com, and in that so you can post it, and in that there is a forum. You can log into the forum, and you can post it the forum.noissim.com. Okay, please, thanks for being with us. Thank you. See you again, guys. Bye.